Hello students, welcome to the next video of set theory class. Before starting, first we start Brahmanad. शांति शांति शांति. Susto. Today we are going to discuss Cartesian product of two sets. So before starting Cartesian product, first we know order pair. So order pair means it consists two elements or two objects in a fixed order A comma B. Okay, where A and B are known as elements. So we write these things: order pair, the order pair of two elements A and B is denoted by A comma B. So order pair of two elements or two objects are represented bracket A comma B, where A is called first component and B is called second component of the order pair Okay. Next, equality of order pairs. So two order pairs A comma B and C comma D are said to be equal if corresponding components are equal. Means the first component of two order pair are equal and the second component of the order pair are also equal. That is, A is equal to C and B is equal to D. तेणु दीटा ऑर्डर पेरू आम केतबेले इक्वल कहबा आर फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट को तार फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट आर सेकंड कंपोनेंट को तार सेकंड कंपोनेंट यदि समान अच्छी देन वी से दिस टू ऑर्डर पेयर्स आर इक्वल. ओके. सो फॉर एग्जांपल फाइंड x and y if number 1 order pair 3x minus 1 comma y plus 2 equal to 2 comma 5. Number 2 2x minus y comma 3 equal to 1 comma 3x plus 5y. Okay. So if these two order pairs are equal, then what will be the value of x and y? Answer: how can you determine the value of x, y by equating two order pair? You know order pair are equal means they have the same components. Okay, corresponding components are equal. So answer 1, that is 3x minus 1 is equal to 2 and y plus 2 is equal to 5. That implies 3x is equal to 2 plus 1. So 3x is equal to 3. That implies x is equal to 1. Here y is equal to 5 minus 2. This is equal to 3. So therefore x and y, the value of x comma y is equal to 1 and 3. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. Okay. Next, number 2. So here 2x minus y is equal to what? 1, and 3x plus 5y is also 3. So you have to 2x minus y is equal to 1, then 3x plus 5y is equal to 3. Find the value of x and y. एरिया में कौन करिया? Now in equation 1 multiply 5. तो 5 multiply कले इटा होची 10x minus 5y. 10x minus 5y is equal to 5. Here 3x plus 5y is equal to 3. तो कैंसिल कर दिए इटा को. 13x equal to 13x is equal to 8. That implies x is equal to 8 by 13. तो एक्सट्रा 8 by 13 हेले आउट इक्वेशन रे पकाई दियो. तो 2x minus y is equal to 1. That implies 2 into x means 8 by 13 minus y is equal to 1. So 2 into 8 16. So 16 by 13 minus y is equal to 1. That implies 16 by 13 minus 1 is equal to y. That implies y is equal to 16 minus 13 कहते 3 by 13. Therefore x is equal to 8 by 13 and y is equal to 3 by 13. Okay. So by equating two order pair, you have to find the value of x and y. Okay. So two order pairs are equal means corresponding components are equal. R first component to तार first component equal थिबो, second component to तार second component equal थिबो, हैला. अच्छा. So order pair a comma b, order pair a comma b or order pair c comma d, these are not a set. हमें set माने कौन लिखुचे ना कर्ली ब्रैकेट भीतर एलिमेंट को रखुचे, किंतु ऑर्डर पेयर एलिमेंट को हमें ब्रैकेट भीतर लिखा. सो ऑर्डर पेयर ए कमा बी इज नॉट ए सेट एंड सेट ए कमा बी इज नॉट ए ऑर्डर पेयर. ओके. सो सेट ए कमा बी इज इक्वल टू सेट बी कमा ए, whereas ऑर्डर पेयर ए कमा बी इज नॉट इक्वल टू बी कमा ए. ओके. नाउ वी राइट दिस पॉइंट्स. ऑर्डर पेयर इज नॉट ए सेट and the set is also not a order pair. Okay. Now we write these things. So order pair a comma b is not a set. Number 2, order pairs a comma b is not equal to b comma a, whereas set a comma b is equal to b comma a. Order pairs a comma b is represented by a point in a coordinate plane r square. Okay, in a 2-dimensional. So every order pair is represented by a point in a coordinate plane, xy plane. Okay. Next, Cartesian product of two sets. Cartesian product of two sets. So what do you mean by Cartesian product of two sets? Let A and B are two non-empty sets. Two non-empty sets. The collection of the set of are two non-empty sets. The set of all order pairs the set of all order pairs A comma B such that A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B is called Cartesian product. Cartesian product of A and B. Okay. So Cartesian product of A and B means it is the collection of all order pairs like that A comma B, whereas the first component of the order pair belongs to first set and the second component of the order pair belongs to in the second set. So collection of all order pairs A comma B such that A belongs to capital A, order pairs A comma B such that A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B is called Cartesian product of A and B. It is denoted by A cross B, denoted by A cross B. Okay, so where A cross B, where A cross B is equal to set of order pair A comma B such that A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B. So order pair A comma B, order pair Cartesian product A cross B is equal to set of order pair A comma B such that small a belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B. That is, order pair A comma B belongs to A cross B means A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B. Okay, and the order pair B cross A means set of order pair B comma A, set of order pair B comma A such that B belongs to capital A and A belongs to capital A. जतलो B क्रॉस A ऑर्डर पेयर बाहर करिया आमको ऑर्डर पेयर B कमा A बाहर करिया पड़ियो जो ऑर्डर पेयर फर्स्ट कंपोनेंटा B सेट थिबो आउ सेकंड कंपोनेंटा A सेट थिबो. ओके, सो दीज आर नोन एज कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू सेट्स. फॉर एग्जांपल लेट A is equal to A B C. Okay, and B is equal to 1 2. So what is the Cartesian product of A cross B? So A cross B means we collect the order pair A comma B such that A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B. So we take the element of the set A. तेणु A set रो आम एलिमेंट नहीं फास्ट ऑर्डर पेयर फॉर्मेशन करिया. A set एलिमेंट कौन अच्छी A B C, B set एलिमेंट कौन अच्छी 1 2 अच्छी जो आम ऑर्डर पेयर फॉर्मेशन करिया से ऑर्डर पेयर फास्ट कंपोनेंट A set रे थिबो आउ सेकेंड कंपोनेंटा B सेट थिबो. सो A1 कमा A2 A1 A2 देन B सहित ऑर्डर पेयर बाहर करो B1 B2. ओके, देन C1 कमा C2. These are known as the order pair. So this is the Cartesian product of A cross B. Next, if we find B cross A, what is the B cross A? So B cross A means collection of order pair B comma A, where the first component of the order pair belongs to B set and the second component belongs to in A set. जो आम B cross A बाहर करिया B cross A फर्स्ट B सेट एलिमेंट सहित A सेट एलिमेंट सहित तुम ऑर्डर पेयर फॉर्मेशन करियो. तेणु B सेट एलिमेंट कौन अच्छी 1 अच्छी नहीं कि. अच्छा 1A हम देख 1A देन 1B देन 1C तापर 2 सहित बाहर कर 2A 2B देन 2C. ओके, सो दीज आर नोन एज B क्रॉस A. बुझे ना जो A क्रॉस B बाहर करियो A क्रॉस B बाहर कलारू प्रथम A सेट एलिमेंट चूज करियो तापर B सेट एलिमेंट सहित तुम ऑर्डर पेयर फॉर्मेशन करियो. B क्रॉस A बाहर कला बी क्रॉस ए रो एलिमेंट बी क्रॉस ए कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट बाहर कला बेले बी सेट एलिमेंट फास्ट देखिबो ना कि तापर ए सेट एलिमेंट नब तो बी सेट एलिमेंट कौन अच्छी 1 2 अच्छी तेणु 1 ए 1 बी 1 सी देन 2 ए 2 बी 2 सी like that. Okay, then you have to calculate also a cross a. देखो a cross a बाहर कला तो कौन कराबो a cross a. Next we find a cross a. So what is a cross a? तो a cross a means the element of a opposite a make an order pair itself. That is a then AB, AC, then BA, BB, BC, तापर C सहित बाहर करियो CA, CB, CC, CC. Okay, so these are known as A cross A. Then what will be B cross A? B cross B. तो देखो B cross B means B set element सहित बी सेट एलिमेंट सहित तुम बाहर करियो ना कि सो कौन हम 1 1 हम 1 2 हम देन 2 1 एंड 2 2. सो दीज आर नोन एज बी क्रॉस बी ए क्रॉस बी एंड बी क्रॉस ए. ओके, सो ईच एलिमेंट ऑफ द ऑर्डर पेयर ईच एलिमेंट ऑफ द कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट इज एन ऑर्डर पेयर. तेणु कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्टर प्रत्येक एलिमेंट गोटे गोटे ऑर्डर पेयर हम ना नहीं. सो हाउ मेनी ऑर्डर पेयर प्रेजेंट इन ए क्रॉस बी. सो इन ए क्रॉस बी मीन्स देर आर 1 2 3 4 5 6 देर आर 6 ऑर्डर पेयर present in A cross B. Means number of element of A cross B is equal to 6 and the number of element of B cross A there are 6 order pairs also there. So the B cross A element number of element of B cross A is also 6 and the number of element of A cross A, how many order pair in A cross A? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So there are 9 order pairs are present in A cross A. Means the number of element of A cross A is equal to 9 and the number of element of B cross A is equal to B cross B is equal to 4. That means here the number of element of A set is equal to 3, number of element of B set is 2, whereas the number of element of A cross B is 6. So 6 is the product of 3 and 2. That's why number of element of A cross B is equal to number of element of A into number of element of B. Similarly, number of element of B cross A is equal to number of element of B into number of element of A. Number of element of A cross A is equal to number of element of A into multiplied number of element of A. So if two sets are finite, then A cross B is also finite, and the number of elements of A cross B is equal to number of element of A multiplied number of element of B. Okay, suppose if one set is finite out of two set, जदि ना कि गोटे सेट टी कौन हम इनफिनाइट हम. सपोज वन सेट इज इनफिनाइट ऑफ टू सेट, देन देयर कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट इज एन इनफिनाइट. दीटा सेट भितर जदि गोटे सेट इनफिनाइट सेट हम बोले तार कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्टा कौन हम, देयर आर इनफिनाइट नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर पेयर्स आर पॉसिबल. सो हियर वी से A cross B is equal to infinite. A cross B is infinite if either A and B are infinite set. Okay. Now we write the number of element of A cross B. So note la, if A and B are two finite sets, then A cross B is also finite sets. Number 2, if one of the A and B are infinite sets, then A cross B is also an infinite set. Okay. If mode A is equal to M and mode B is equal to N, then A cross B ro mode. So cardinality of A cross B is equal to cardinality of A into cardinality of B, and this is equal to M into N, whereas M and N are the finite. Okay. So A cross B ro mode is equal to B cross A ro mode, whereas A cross B is not equal to B cross A. So the Cartesian product of A cross B is not equal to Cartesian product of B cross A, whereas the number of element of A cross B is equal to number of element of B cross A. Suppose two sets, out of two set, one is empty set, then A cross B is also empty set. Suppose A is equal to Z set and B is equal to phi. So Z set कौन है infinite set. Infinite set सहित जदि आम गोटे एम्प्टी सेट जदि क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट करवा सेटा कौन हम ना दिस इज नल सेट. ओके सो A क्रॉस B इज phi if either A is equal to phi or B is equal to phi. So A cross B is equal to phi either A is equal to phi or B is equal to phi or both are phi. ना नहीं दीरा सेट phi हेले भी phi हम. नंबर 6 है नंबर 6 A cross B equal to B cross A. A cross B is equal to B cross A if and only if A is equal to B. तो दीरा को सेट इक्वल थी वो से केस A cross B is equal to B cross A. Then number 7 P of A cross B रो cardinality. You know P of A cross B means the power set of A cross B. So power set of A cross B means collection of all subsets. Okay, collection of all subsets of A cross B. You know A cross B रो cardinality is equal to mod A into mod B, that is equal to m into n. Then the power set of A cross B is equal to 2 to the power m into n. Whereas if mod A is equal to m and mod B is equal to n, okay, then P of A cross B ro mod is equal to 2 to the power m into n. Then these are the important note of the Cartesian product. Then we go to Cartesian product of three sets. Cartesian product of three sets. So let A, comma B and C are three sets. Then the Cartesian product of A cross B cross C, then A cross B Cartesian product, then Cartesian product, its Cartesian product, its Cartesian product is denoted by A cross B cross C, A cross B cross C, or it can be expressed A cross B cross C. So A cross B cross C equal to A cross B cross C, where A cross B cross C is equal to set of order pair A B C. Set of order pair A B C equal to hala set of order pair A B C मान set of triplets, set of triplet A B C such that A belongs to capital A, B belongs to capital B and C belongs to capital C. So दीरा एलिमेंट थिला हम ताको ऑर्डर कोचे ऑर्डर पेयर कोचे तीनटा एलिमेंट रहला हम ताको हम कोचे सेट ऑफ where A cross B cross C is the collection of triplets A B C so that A belongs to capital A, B belongs to capital B and C belongs to capital C. A cross B cross C is the same thing as A cross of B cross C, or it is the same thing as also A cross B cross C. And the number of element of A cross B cross C is equal to number of element of A into number of element of B into number of element of C. Okay, the number of element of A cross B cross C is equal to number of element of A into number of element of B into number of element of C. Out of three sets, one set is infinite set, then its Cartesian product is infinite, If one set is phi null set, then its Cartesian product is phi. Okay. So A cross B cross C is equal to phi. Either A equal to phi, then either A equal to phi or B equal to phi or C is equal to phi. है सो तीन टा सेट्र कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्टा फाइ हो बोले आंक भितर जदि गोटे सेट जदि नल सेट हो देन इट इज ऑल्सो फाइ सेट. सो दीज आर नोन एज कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ थ्री सेट्स. ओके. A cross B cross C रो cardinality is equal to mod A into mod B into C mod C. A cross B cross C is phi, then either A equal to phi or B is equal to phi or C is equal to phi. Okay. Next, let A is equal to -1, 2, 3, B set equal to 2, 3. Represent the following product graphically. Okay. So how can you represent it graphically? You know each order pair represent points in a coordinate plane, in xy plane. But how can you represent this point in a coordinate plane? Now we write in graphically. Okay. Answer. Here A is equal to -1, 2, 3. In that set containing 3 elements, and B is equal to 2, 3. So what will be number of element of A cross B? So the number of element of A cross B is equal to number of element of A multiplied the number of element of B. So here 3 and 2, so 6 elements are there in A cross B. So A cross B is equal to -1, 2, -1, 3, then 2, 2, then 2, 3, then 3, 2, and 3, 3. Okay. But we represent it graphically. Now we draw the coordinate planes. This is x, o, x dash, and this is known as y, o, y dash. Now we take the coordinate axis x, o, x dash, y, o, y dash. In ox is known as the positive direction of x axis, ox dash is the negative direction of x axis, oy is the positive direction of y axis, oy dash is also negative direction of y axis. Suppose we point this one A1 and 2, this is 3, and this is -1, -2, this is 1, 2, and this is 3, and this is -1, -2. Okay. So the first point is -1, 2. -1, 2 lies in second quadrant. X coordinate -1, y coordinate 2. This point is -1, 2. This is known as -1, 2. Okay. Then -1, 3, -1, 3. This point is known as -1, 3. Okay. Next 2, 2. So 2, 2 lies in second quadrant. X coordinate 2, y coordinate 2. This point is 2, 2. Then 2, 3. This is also 2, 3. This point is 2, 3. Okay. Next 3, 2. 3, 2 means x coordinate. Here this is 2, 3. तले लखिया में 2, 3. Now another point 3, 2. X coordinate 3 and y coordinate 2. This one is 3, 2. 3, 2, and this one is 3, 3. Okay. This point is known as 3, 3. Okay. So these are the point. These are the, so suppose we joining this point. Okay. This is this one is minus, so -1, 2, here -1, 3. Okay, and this point is 2, 2. This point is also 3, 2. This one is -1, 3, and also -1, 3. So this point is -1, 3. Minus 3 अच्छे. This point is -1, 3. So -1, 3. This one is 2, 3, and this is 3, 3. Okay. Now we joining this point. This one is okay. So these are the point in a Cartesian plane. Next we draw B cross A. So B cross A means first we write the element of B. Okay. So B cross A means 2, -1. 2 comma minus 1, next 2 comma 2, next 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3, so 3 comma minus 1, then 3 comma 3 comma minus 1, 3 comma 2, then 3 comma 3, 3 comma 3. Okay, these are B cross A. These are the element of B cross A. Now to represent it diagrammatically also, this one is coordinate axis XO X dash, and this is known as YO Y dash. Here this is 1, 2 and 3. This is minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. This is 1, 2 and this is 3. This is minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Okay. Now 2 minus 1, x coordinate 2, y coordinate minus 1, 2 comma minus 1 lies in fourth quadrant. So 2 comma minus 1, this point is 2 comma minus 1. Okay, this is 2 comma minus 1. Next 2 comma 2, x coordinate 2, y coordinate 2. So this point is 2 comma 2 lies in first quadrant, 2 comma 2. Next 2 comma 3, so 2 comma 3 is also again lies in first quadrant. This point is 2 comma 3. Okay, so 2 comma minus 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. These are the, if we joining this point, we will get a line segment which are the parallel to y axis. Then 3 comma minus 1, x coordinate 3 and y coordinate minus 1. So 3 comma minus 1, this one is 3 comma minus 1. Okay, 3 comma minus 1, 3 comma 2, this point is also 3 comma 2. So 3 comma 2 means 3 comma 2 lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. So 3 comma 2, this point is 3 comma 2. Okay, so this point is 3 comma, a point out 2 comma 2 hai. This point is 2 comma 2. So 3 comma 2 means this point is 3 comma 2. So 3 comma 2, it out 3 comma minus 1. This point is 3 comma minus 1. Okay, this point and this point is 3 comma 2. Then another point 3 comma 3. This point is 3 comma 3. This point is 3 comma 3. 3 comma 3. It 3 comma 3. It out 3 comma 2, 3 comma 2 and 3 comma 3. It out this point, and this is also another line. Okay. So these are the point in the Cartesian plane, because every order pair represent a point in the Cartesian plane. Okay. So theorem, for any three sets A, B and C, prove that A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. Okay. Number 2, A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. First one is theorem, for any three sets A, B, C, prove that A cross B union C equal to A cross B union A cross C. Number 2, A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Third one, A cross B minus C equal to A cross B minus A cross C. And fourth one is A cross B is equal to B cross A if and only if A is equal to B. Okay. So how can you prove this one? First we prove number 1. So proof of 1. Proof of 1. So A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross B. A cross B union C, this is a clearly Cartesian product, and you know each element of the Cartesian product is an order pair. तेणु तुम कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट रू गोटे एलिमेंट नब माने कौन नब से गोटे ऑर्डर पेट नब देख दीज टू सेट्स आर इक्वल हाउ कैन यू टू से हाउ कैन यू टेस्ट टू सेट्स आर इक्वल मीन्स द फर्स्ट सेट मस्ट बी सबसेट ऑफ द सेकेंड सेट एंड द सेकेंड सेट मस्ट बी सबसेट ऑफ द फर्स्ट सेट तेणु दुईटा सेट इक्वल प्रमाण करा गले आम देखा पड़ो प्रथमटा सेकेंड सबसेट देखा पड़ो सेकेंड सेटा प्रथम सबसेट देखा पड़ो तो सबसेट मीन्स यू नो एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ द फर्स्ट सेट मस्ट बी प्रेजेंट इन द सेकेंड सेट तो एनी एलिमेंट वी टेक एनी एलिमेंट ऑफ ए क्रॉस बी यूनियन सी A cross B union C is the Cartesian product because B is a set, C is a set, B union C is a set. So A cross B union C means this is a Cartesian product. So you know in Cartesian product elements in a Cartesian product is an order pair. So let an order pair x comma y belongs to A cross B union C. So order pair x comma y belongs to A cross B union C means x belongs to A and y belongs to B union C. Okay, that implied x belongs to A and y belongs to B union C means y belongs to B or y belongs to C. That implied x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Okay, x belongs to A and y belongs to B, or x belongs to A and y belongs to C. Because we open the bracket, एडी और अच्छी आम एंड रे मल्टीप्लाई कले कौन हो x belongs to A and y belongs to B, or x belongs to A and y belongs to C. That implied x belongs to A and y belongs to B means order pair x comma y belongs to A cross B. Not you write A intersection because here x belongs to A and y belongs to B. These are x and y are two different sets. So order pair x comma y belongs to A cross B, or order pair x comma y belongs to A cross C. Okay, that implied order pair x comma y belongs to A cross B union A cross C. Okay, so in the beginning we take the element order pair x comma y belongs to A cross B union C. Finally we get the order pair x y belongs to A cross B union A cross C. So A cross B union C is the subset of A cross B union A cross C. Secondly, I am going to let any element order pair x comma y belongs to A cross B union A cross C. That means we write x comma y belongs to A cross B or x comma y belongs to A cross C. X comma y belongs to A cross B means x belongs to A and y belongs to B, or x belongs to A and y belongs to C. That means x belongs to A and y belongs to B or y belongs to C. That means x belongs to A and y belongs to B union C. That means x comma y belongs to A cross B union C. So we take the reverse. Double implied is there. Therefore, A cross B union C, A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. Okay. Similarly, we prove the second thing also. Proof of 2. Proof of 2. Let order pair x comma y belongs to A cross B intersection C. So x comma y belongs to B intersection C means you have to write what? X belongs to A and y belongs to B intersection C. That implied x belongs to A and y belongs to B intersection C means what? Y belongs to B and y belongs to C. Okay. Achha. So x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Now open the bracket, x belongs to A and y belongs to B, and x belongs to A and y belongs to C. That implied x belongs to A and y belongs to B means what? Order pair x comma y. Order pair x comma y belongs to what? A cross B. Okay. Order pair x comma y. Order pair x comma y belongs to A cross B, and order pair x comma y belongs to A cross C. That implied order pair x comma y belongs to A cross B and order pair x comma y belongs to A cross C. That implied order pair x comma y belongs to A cross B intersection A cross C. Now you take a double implied. Therefore, A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Okay, that's why A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Next we prove third thing also. So proof of 3. Proof of 3. proof of 3. A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. First you take the element order pair x comma y belongs to A cross B minus C, means you have to write x belongs to A and y belongs to B minus C. So y belongs to B minus C means what? X belongs to A, y belongs to B minus C means what? Y belongs to B and y does not belongs to C. Okay, that implied x belongs to A and y belongs to B, open the bracket, and x belongs to A, x belongs to A, x belongs to A and y not belongs to C, x belongs to A and y not belongs to C. Acha, order pair x belongs to A and order pair y belongs to B means this one, order pair x comma y belongs to what? A cross B, and here x belongs to A and y does not belongs to C. देखो एक्स्ट्रा A सेट अच्छी y टा C सेट नहीं, तार तो A क्रॉस C रे रही होगी ऑर्डर पेयर टा. सो ऑर्डर पेयर x कमा y डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू A क्रॉस C. जदि y टा C रे थांता बोले तुम लिखि थांते ऑर्डर पेयर x कमा y बिलोंग्स टू A क्रॉस C. Since y does not belongs to C, that's why we write xy order pair does not belongs to A cross C. That means the order pair x comma y belongs to A cross B and x order pair x comma y does not belongs to A cross C, means you have to write order pair x comma y belongs to A cross B minus A cross C. Okay, minus A cross C means order pair x y belongs to A cross B and y order pair x comma y does not belongs to A cross C. That means you have to take the double implied. Therefore, A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. Okay, hence proved. So next we prove fourth one is A cross B is equal to B cross A. Double implied A is equal to B. है ना, दी आग कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट A cross B टा B cross A से तो इक्वल हम केतलो ना जेतलो बोथ सेट आर इक्वल. But how can you prove this one? Here double implied is there, means first we take A is equal to B to prove A cross B is equal to B cross A. Second we take A cross B is equal to B cross A, then we prove that A is equal to B. Okay, so how can you prove this one? So let A cross B, we prove that A cross B equal to B cross A, double implied A equal to B. First we take A is equal to B. Let A is equal to B to prove that A cross B is equal to B cross A. Okay. अच्छा. So A cross B माने कौन हम? देखो इड़ा हम प्रूव करिया पड़ियो. A cross B is equal to, we take A is equal to B, means we replace B is equal to A. So A cross A. है ना, तो कौन कले ना B जगह A पकड़ले. Put replace B in place of A. नहीं, replace A, तो replace A in place of B. In place of B आमे B जगह A पकड़ले नहीं कि. अच्छा A क्रॉस B टा कौन A क्रॉस A है, तो B क्रॉस A माने कौन हम ना रिप्लेस A इन प्लेस ऑफ B जगह में A पकड़ देना, तो दिस इज इक्वल टू A क्रॉस A. अच्छा A क्रॉस A इज इक्वल टू A क्रॉस A इज इक्वल टू A क्रॉस B, A क्रॉस A इक्वल टू B क्रॉस A. सो A क्रॉस B इज इक्वल टू B क्रॉस A and the proof is complete. Next, okay, we take next, let A cross B is equal to B cross A. To prove A is equal to B. So how can you prove A is equal to B? First you take let small a or x belongs to capital A, be any element. We prove that this x belongs to in B set. हमें A equal to B देखा पड़ियो. A equal to B देखा means A रा B रे सबसेट देखा पड़ियो, B रा A रे सबसेट देखा पड़ियो. अच्छा x belongs to A. So x belongs to A means The order pair x comma y belongs to A cross B for all y belongs to B. जदि B सेट रो सबु एलिमेंट पाई for all y belongs to B, then the order pair x comma y belongs to A cross B. ना नहीं देखो आमे प्रथमे A सेट गोटे एलिमेंट नेली दैट इज x. For each y belongs to B, then the order pair x comma y must be belongs to what? A cross B. That implies order pair x comma y, here given that A cross B is equal to B cross A, means A order pair x comma y belongs to B cross A, because given that A cross B equal to B cross A. अच्छा, order pair x comma y belongs to B cross A means what? X belongs to B and y belongs to A. Nagi, that implied x belongs to B. So first we take the element x belongs to A, we get x belongs to B. Therefore A subset B. Therefore A subset B. हला देखो आम A सेट गोटे एलिमेंट नहीं आम B सेट अच्छी बोले देखले एक्सटा B रही ना x belongs to B. That means A subset B है. Next कौन करिया, let y belongs to B be any element. अच्छा, y belongs to be any element means for all x है y comma x belongs to B cross A for all x belongs to A. जदि y टा B सेट अच्छी माने ऑर्डर पेयर y comma x टा कौन हम B cross A रही for all x belongs to A. for all x belongs to A. जदि A सेट रो सबु एलिमेंट पाई माने ऑर्डर पेयर y comma x टा को सेट रहियो belongs to B cross A. That implied y comma x belongs to, here B cross A means what? A cross B equal to A cross B. That implied here y comma x belongs to B cross A, y comma x belongs to also A cross B. That implies y belongs to A. So B must be subset of A. So B must be subset of A. तो हमें देख ले A subset B देख ले and B subset A देख ले. Therefore A subset B and B subset A, that means A is equal to B. So A cross B and B cross A, that means A equal to B. A cross B, A subset B and B subset A, therefore A is equal to B. Okay. So A cross B is equal to A cross B is equal to B cross A if and only if A is equal to B set. Okay. Next we prove that for any four sets, next another, prove that for four sets A, B, C and D, A cross B intersection C cross D. A cross B intersection C cross D equal to A intersection C cross B intersection D. Next question. Prove that for any four sets A, B, C, D, A cross B intersection C cross D equal to A intersection C cross B intersection D. How can we prove this one? Let order pair proof. Let order pair x comma y. Okay. So order pair x comma y, that is for any four sets A, B, C and D, prove that A cross B intersection C cross D is equal to A intersection C cross B intersection D. Okay. So how can you prove this one? First we take an element, any element of the LHS part. Okay. That is order pair x comma y. Order pair x comma y belongs to A cross B intersection C cross D, because A cross B the Cartesian product, C cross D is a Cartesian product, and the intersection is there. That implies order pair x comma y belongs to A cross B, and order pair x comma y belongs to C cross D. Okay, that implied order pair x comma y belongs to A cross B means x belongs to A and y belongs to B, and order pair x comma y belongs to C cross D means x belongs to C and y belongs to D. Here x belongs to A and x belongs to C, that means x belongs to A and x belongs to C. We write these things, and y belongs to B and y belongs to D means y belongs to B and y belongs to D. Okay, we take it to bracket. So x belongs to A and x belongs to C means x belongs to A intersection C, y belongs to B and y belongs to D means y belongs to B intersection D. Okay, are you understand? So x belongs to A intersection C and y belongs to B intersection D means order pair x comma y belongs to A intersection C cross B intersection D. That implies order pair. So A cross B intersection C cross D must be subset of A intersection C cross B intersection D. So we take in a double implied part. Therefore A cross B intersection C cross D is equal to A intersection C cross B intersection D. Okay, A intersection C cross B intersection D. Okay, now take it some problems. Let one question: A and B are two non-empty sets have n elements in common. Then prove that A cross B and B cross A have n square elements in common. जदि A और B सेट n एलिमेंट कॉमन रहिबो तबे A cross B and B cross A have n square element in common. So how can you prove this one? Okay, answer. Here A intersection B रो mode is equal to n, because A and B have n elements in common. That means A intersection B रो cardinality is equal to n is equal to B intersection A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Okay, we have A cross B intersection C cross D. A cross B intersection C cross D is equal to A intersection C cross B intersection D. Okay, here I prove A cross B intersection C cross D is equal to A intersection C cross B intersection D. That is A intersection C cross B intersection D is equal to A cross B intersection C cross D. Okay, now replace D is equal to A. D is equal to, okay, so replace D is equal to A and C is equal to B. तो आम कौन करिया D जगह A पकईदेवा C जगह B पकईदेवा. So A intersection B. Okay, so A intersection B, that means A. Okay, now what happen? So A intersection B आम कौन पकईया C जगह मु B पकई. A intersection B cross B intersection A is equal to A cross B intersection C जगह आम कौन पकईचे B पकौचे तो B cross A. Okay, are you understand? Now we take its cardinality. So A intersection B cross B intersection A रो cardinality is equal to A cross B intersection B cross A रो cardinality, because we count the number of element of A cross B and B cross A, that implies A intersection B. Okay, that means A cross B. So its cardinality is equal to A intersection B cross B intersection A cardinality is equal to what? A intersection B रो cardinality into B intersection A रो mode is equal to A cross B intersection B cross A रो cardinality. That implied A intersection B has n, so this is equal to n into n, this is equal to A cross B intersection B cross A रो cardinality. That implied A cross B intersection B cross A रो cardinality is equal to what? N square. N into n means n square. That means A cross B and B cross A रो intersection. So A cross B and B cross A has how many element in common? That is n square element in common. Therefore A cross B and B cross A have n square element in common. Okay. So in the next class we do some another problems of the Cartesian product and we go to relation. Thank you.